Hi everyone, this is a Qwallet guide-through video on QLC staking for Qgas rewards. Step 1. Create a QLC chain wallet. When creating a new wallet, make sure you have saved both the wallet seed and the mnemonic phrase. Now you have created your own QLC chain wallet. Please note, do not transfer any of your NEP5 QLC to this wallet yet. Step 2. Withdraw your QLC to a NEP5 wallet. You can either import or create a NEP5 wallet. Then you can send your NEP5 QLC funds to this wallet to make sure you got sufficient funds for the following staking. Step 3. Invoke stakings. You can go to any of your QLC chain wallet address that you want to stake to. Then find My Stakings on the screen. Click on Invoke New Staking at the bottom. Please note the from and to addresses have to be in the wallet you are operating with. Choose a wallet simply from the drop-down menu. And now click on Invoke. It might take up to several minutes to proceed with your staking. And do not leave the page until the staking is confirmed. After 10 days of lock-in period, the staking including the rewards will continue automatically until your staking is revoked. Step 4. Check on your Qgas earnings. You can always access My Stakings to check how many Qgas earnings you have accumulated. Your entitled Qgas earnings will be distributed on a daily basis. The Qgas earnings calculating equation is shown as below. Happy staking!